just lie in bed and pretend you're dead, or hide in your shed. The people on the land, they need a hand, they need to know who will stop the rain. You know the land is dry, there's an empty sky, dust in your eye. Don't just wonder why. The people on the land, they need a hand, they need to know who will stop the rain. All the food we get from the toil and sweat comes with the wet. So let's not forget the people on the land, they need a hand, they need to know who will stop the rain. The trucks are on their way, they're hauling hay, they want it yesterday. Give them right away. They do it tough out there, we need to do our share, we have to let them know who will stop the rain. It's their backs to bend, you've got a hand to lend. Could we, your friend? We're in to the end. This is a call to arms, to save our farms, we need to sound alarms. Who will stop the rain? Now let's gather round, all your friends in town, pass the hat around. We can't let them down. The families on the land, with you will stand, we want you to know that we will stop the rain. We will stop the rain.